Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. And if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. And today I had a strong urge to fly my Latrax Alias. Got one of my high voltage packs on here. Quick little morning fix with it. I didn't mean to go to acro mode. We're in high rates though. I just wanted to fly this guy before I headed on out to do my little run for the speed challenge. Ronaldo's having that speed challenge, and I'm trying to qualify for that. So just wanted to get a little bit of flying in though with my Latrax Alias before I go down there and do some car stuff. Gotta love the Latrax Alias. Got squirrels running around out here. Thing flies awesome. I like diving with it like that. Bank it around here. Not the trees though. I like doing those diagonal flips and then speed off into some forward flight. Let's get some tree action going, some tree play. Still came through with it though. The Latrax Alias has awesome range. Oh, hit a branch. Tap and go. Oh, almost hit the ground there. Speed passes with this thing. Dive towards myself. It looks awesome coming back at you like that. Let me take it up high again. Dive. Some more tree action going. Oh, hard to judge distance like this. Flipping. Get under the trees. I like dipping under the branches too. Can you get between there? Yep. go over here and play with the trees a little more. Hard to judge distance. I think it's about the alarm on me. No. Jeez, this is a pretty long flight from this thing. Oh, there we go, right there. Let's get a quick flip in. Oh, not in there though. Gotta dive. Okay, let's bring it up. Latrax Alias, y'all. Thanks for watching.